How's it going, everybody? My name is Dalton and welcome back to Garage 99. Today we got some nice packaging that came in today. This is our GFB DVX blow-off valve. I know it doesn't look or feel like anything that says Go Fast Bits on it, but trust me, it is. But before we open that, we're gonna go ahead and take this wheel off. Loosen that, and go ahead and check it off. Okay, now we really only want to tap it off far enough so we can get the wheels the rest of the way off. By the way, if you don't know why I'm removing this wheel, the factory blow-off valve is actually right behind this wheel. The Go Fast Bits blow-off valve for this car is 100% adjustable. When you turn your wheel all the way to the right, you can either choose to recirculate it completely or vent it atmospherically for that nice whoosh sound. Alright, roll this to the side here. Off. Wow, this thing could use a cleaning, holy cow. Okay, now from here I have absolutely no idea what I'm looking for. So, on that note, we're gonna open up this box. And I have nothing sharp to open with. Here we go. There we go, there's some Go Fast Bits. Alright, so this is the box, inside of a box. And there is our itty bitty blow-off valve. This is the whole thing right there. It's just this guy. So I'm going to set him aside because I think I see inside there what I need to remove. We got some cobalt parts, baby! Looks like it's going to be an Allen wrench. It doesn't really say what size. I don't think this comes with any hardware. Looks like we reused the same hardware. As you can see on here, there is a mute, looks like a mute button, and then the volume gets louder. So I would say this is fully recirculating. There we go. That is hard to slide. And then that is fully vented. I gotta get some grease on this guy. So we'll start with fully recirculating, and then we'll work our way from there. But I'm gonna go ahead and come back to this when I find the right hex key. Okay, so I kind of changed it up. I got a bit on a driver, on an extension, and just used a ratchet to get those three out. And this looks to be a 5mm hex nut. There's 3 of them, and then this is what you're left with. This is the stock bypass valve. It kind of came apart in pieces because that's how it goes in, because it's a very cheaply made bypass valve. If you ask anybody in the forums, because they're the almighty, all-knowing people, that is what you get. There's your, yeah, really cheap. I mean, I guess I get why this is so expensive, but this whole thing was $225. I don't care where you go. It may be a little more, a little less, but that's pretty much, yeah, it's 225 bucks. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on here. Same way I did taking it off. I'm just gonna put the 3 bolts back into it, put the vacuum hose back on, and then we're good to go. Okay, so the job is done, so I think. That is a very in-depth job. I mean, look at how cut up I am from that job. So, requires a lot of patience, steady hands, and patience, because Yeah, that is the hardest blow-off valve I've ever seen to get to. If this was my Subaru, like the exact same one from my Subaru, 3 bolts, take it out, put the new one on, vacuum line, done. But this one is just, it's so tight in there. It's done. Let's hope it sounds good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. This should be the fully recirculating one. We'll see how it sounds. Open it up a little bit. I actually don't like that. There's a lot of belt spinning. I'm going to turn it off real quick. That should be fully recirculated. That is a hard belt to move.